My shower head leaks, so what do? So the first thing that I did is I went ahead and tightened this up a little bit. But the problem was the water was actually coming from below here. So tightening it up here at the threads here is not going to help it. The shower head, I went to move it so I could actually have it flowing where I wanted it on me, and so I'm not against the wall. It didn't work. To remove the shower head, it's good to have the right tools. And then you adjust this so that it's the same size as the pipe you're going to remove, like this. And then you slowly turn it counterclockwise direction, making sure you have a good grip so you don't strip it or scratch it. And then once it's loose enough, you can actually use your hand to finish taking it off, or you can turn it like this to go the rest of the way. And it's off. So what you see here, this is usually it's a type of silicone tape that helps to seal whenever you're doing that. So it's better to take the old tape off like that. Well, I can see part of the problem is this shower head is actually pointing towards the wall. It's not coming out straight. I'm not gonna mess with the internal pipes, and that's one of the reasons we got the shower head we did. So the instructions we got with the shower head says thread tape is not recommended. Following the instructions for this shower head, washer, filter, screen, and then the screw. So the instructions show washer, filter, screen, and screw, but they're already part of this. And they're saying to hand tighten everything. So the first thing we need to do is put this here. Okay. Step one. Step two, connect either end of the hose to the bracket. Okay. Step three, connect shower head to the other end. Of course, we're taking this cardboard out. Let's test it. Let's see if there's any leaks. Actually, the leaks we're looking for are all going to be right there. Everything's connected there, right? So we got a little bit of a leak here. Now, here's where we're going to need to use a tool. My hands aren't strong enough. Do that way. Try again. Okay, I need to. Trying not to. I still got a grip. But in theory, because there's a washer, there's a rubber washer on the end of this, it should seal completely. do you think? How to change a shower head. So it's better if there's two people than just one person trying to do this. Plus our door is broken here, so it's hard. I needed to make sure the water wasn't going all over the floor. But it seems to me that we've done the job we came to do. Well, if you don't have any leaking here, right? Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, all that good stuff.